and thank you for listening. This is the host of Strategic Trading Radio. My name is Alex, and I will just be doing a little introduction to the show. So basically, this show is going to be about stocks, options, and futures trading in a strategic fashion. My expertise is options and stocks, so that's primarily what we'll be talking about. We also believe options and stocks, primarily options, are probably going to be the best instruments for the average investor and for an institutional investor. Options allow you to define your probability of success, and options allow you an edge by selling options, which we will discuss later in the show. So we believe options give you a good edge in the market if you do it properly. So we will just be discussing that. My show here is going to be all about promoting young investors. So we're trying to get people of all ages engaged in the markets, but primarily people under 30. We want people under 30 engaged in the markets so they at least know what they're looking at in their finances. For example, when you're looking at your retirement portfolio, you should know what's right and what's wrong. We're not saying everybody should go out and trade, but we also do encourage learning how to trade and managing your own accounts if you wish to. So we will be discussing using options to hedge against downside risk in a portfolio, keeping a very conservative portfolio, and maybe getting a little more money in every month by reducing cost bases and improving your probability of success. We will be discussing trading options and how to trade options properly, how to sell options. We will be discussing futures trading and how futures trading applies to strategic trading and investing. And we'll be talking about how stocks are in play in this world also. A big shout out I have to make is to Tasty Trade, because Tasty Trade is a great news financial network. It is the new kind of financial network. It is an amazing financial network, and it's how financial networks should all be. There's no hype, none of that news crap. Everything is perfect and fine at Tasty Trade, and they talk about numbers and probabilities. Just like we believe here, the market is about a numbers game. So they will discuss how markets are a numbers game, how to trade and invest in the market properly, and how to use options and futures properly. So I hope everybody watches this show, because I'm trying to get young people engaged, and Tasty Trade is doing the same thing, but it's trying to have a much broader audience. So please watch Tasty Trade, and please watch Strategic Trading Radio. Now, Strategic Trading Radio is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4:05 p.m., and we run as long as we need to, probably about 45 minutes. So be prepared to take a little time out